You know, after having a baby, it's like your body goes through this incredible transformation, and then, just when you think you've got it all figured out, you're left with this belly that feels like a stranger. It's not just about the weight, it's about how you feel in your own skin. I remember looking in the mirror and thinking, where did my waist go? It's a journey, and it's not just physical. It's emotional too. So, let's talk about postpartum belly fat reduction exercises that you can do right at home. First off, it's important to remember that your body has just done something miraculous. You've created life. So, be kind to yourself. The goal isn't to rush back to your pre-baby body. It's about feeling strong and healthy. One of the best places to start is with gentle core exercises. Think about pelvic tilts. You can do these while lying on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Just gently tilt your pelvis upward, flattening your lower back against the floor. It's a small movement, but it engages those deep core muscles that have been stretched during pregnancy. You can do this for a few minutes each day, and it helps reconnect you with your body. Next up, let's talk about the classic bridge exercise. Lying on your back again, lift your hips toward the ceiling while squeezing your glutes. This not only works your core, but also strengthens your glutes and lower back, which is so important after carrying a baby. Hold it for a few seconds, then lower back down. Repeat this a few times, and you'll start to feel those muscles waking up. Now, don't forget about walking. It sounds simple, but walking is one of the best exercises you can do postpartum. It gets your heart rate up, helps with circulation, and it's a great way to clear your mind. Just strap the baby into a stroller or a carrier and get outside. Fresh air does wonders for your mood, and it's a perfect way to bond with your little one. And let's not overlook the power of deep breathing. It might sound odd, but deep diaphragmatic breathing can help engage your core and promote relaxation. Inhale deeply, letting your belly expand, and then exhale fully. It's a great way to reconnect with your body and reduce stress, which is so important during this time. Remember, every little bit counts. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. Celebrate the small victories, whether it's fitting into a pair of jeans or simply feeling a little stronger each day. Your body is on its own journey, and you're doing amazing things. Just take it one step at a time and embrace the process.